I'm here. I'm here. I'm ready. Do you have your paper and pencil? If you do, let's begin the new lesson on teaching you how to draw cartoons. And today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a little cartoon boy. All right, so let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Alright, hey, that was a fun video and I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have, I want to give you guys a big thumbs up for all my buds who are right now. Thanks, I appreciate that. And if you're new to these video series, make sure you check out some of my other videos that I have in my whole playlist, that I have several of them actually. You'll learn a lot more techniques and tricks as well. And make sure you come back tomorrow. Looking forward to sharing some new techniques with you as well. Alright, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.